Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my previous video, I explained about types of hazards and analyze the structure. Up to this point, I already explained that how the area of operation varies according to the structure and types of a sprinkler we use in our system. So if you have not watched that video, so go and watch so that this video will be clear. In this video I'm going to explain about the types of a sprinkler. These 2 points I will explain in our upcoming video. So in this video I am going to explain this sprinkler types we use in real project. Most of people say when interviewer ask that tell me types of a sprinkler. So most of the people say that upright sprinkler, pendant sprinkler and sidewall sprinkler. But this is not a sprinkler. This is the orientation of the sprinkler. Okay. So I am going to explain in details about the sprinklers, that how many types of a sprinkler we use in real project. Okay, and how the area of operation or design area varies according to the sprinkler we are using in our system. So if you have not watched that one video, area of operation and design area, that video, so watch that video. Okay, because that video is also very important to determine the area of operation and how it varies according to the sprinkler we use. Okay, in this video I will only explain that real sprinkler we use in our real project. Okay, so firstly I'm going to explain that a standard coverage sprinkler. This sprinkler we use in it means a standard response sprinkler. This response is standard we use are in commercial and industrial building. This type of a sprinkler are best for commercial and industrial building, like a warehouse where very few people are on site. That place we use this standard coverage or a standard response sprinkler. Okay, this standard response sprinkler are upright and conventional type, pendant type, sidewall type, stainless steel, also it's available in stainless steel, and fusible type also. This fuse, when fire will occur, then this fuse will melt and water will come and pour. So this is the fusible type sprinkler. So this standard coverage or standard response sprinkler we use only mostly in commercial and industrial where very few people are on site. Okay, second one we use this standard coverage. This is also a standard coverage, but response is quick response. This is quick response. Okay, quick response sprinkler. So quick response sprinkler are used primarily in light hazards. We can say in light hazards. If you have not watched this hazards video, how to determine hazards, then please watch that video before watch this. Okay, so light hazards, in hazards light we use the quick response sprinkler. These are building where many people are present. Okay, like a school, office building, healthcare facility and many more. Okay, so where many people are present, that place we use quick response sprinkler, and also we use this type of quick response sprinkler in light hazards. Okay, but a standard coverage and a standard response sprinkler we use in commercial and industrial line where very few people are on site but many people are on site and that hazard comes under light. There we use quick response sprinkler. Okay, now next is extended coverage sprinkler. Extended coverage sprinkler this is extended. It means this type of sprinkler, their coverage is very large compared to their coverage area. Their coverage area is very large compared to above that one sprinkler, extended coverage, quick response, and extended coverage, extended response sprinkler. Okay, and this type of a sprinkler is also available in upright, pendant, horizontal sidewall, fusible elements. Okay, this type of a sprinkler is available, extended coverage sprinkler. These sprinklers are typically used in hotels, restaurants, office building, warehouse, and other areas where it is desirable to reduce the overall number of sprinkler. It means if this type of a sprinkler we are using for only example 20 number, then this type of sprinkler, when we use extended coverage sprinkler, their number will be 7 or 8. So the number of sprinkler quantity will be reduced when this type of sprinkler we use. Okay, extended coverage sprinkler. Now next is a storage sprinkler. This type of sprinkler is very important for industrial line where we store like a storage warehouses or many type of storage, or ceiling height is very high like a rack. Okay, so in that place we use this type of sprinkler. Name indicates already that where a storage, when we will design for a storage, then in that place we will use this CMDA sprinkler or ESFR sprinkler or CMSA sprinkler or in rack sprinkler. Okay, when we will design about rack, then this type of sprinkler we will use. Okay, and also the storage type sprinkler, when we will design, then this design is little bit different compared to other hazards. Okay, like a K factor and density, it will change. Okay, so we will see inshallah in our upcoming video. I will explain all type of sprinkler and their design and hydraulic calculation, everything in details. Okay, so here we have to only know that types of sprinkler. So when we will design the storage type of sprinkler, we will select one of any one sprinkler, one of uh, like whether we will select ESFR or CMDA or INREC, it's depend on ability. Okay, so our next sprinkler is a special type sprinkler. Name indicates that it's a special type sprinkler, like attic. Attic, it means, suppose this is the finish floor level. Okay, and this is the fall ceiling level. Okay, and above this is a roof. This is the roof. Okay, this is the roof. So if there is any gap, many building construct like this for keeping our materials goods here. So in this area is called attic. This area is called attic. In attic we use this type of sprinkler when we will design for attic area. So this type of sprinkler we use, that's why it's called a special sprinkler. Okay, and interstitial spaces, it means in hospitals or many places we see that this is the finished floor level. Okay, and this is the one like a ceiling. Okay, and this is our roof. Okay, so this area we use for our mechanical system like a AC or AHU or many mechanical system. we use this space. Okay, so this space we called generally void or interstitial space. In if we will design this space, so we will use this type of sprinkler, interstitial space sprinkler. Okay, I hope that it's clear. No. And now next is institutional sprinkler. This type of sprinkler we use when we will design mental hospital. Okay, mental area institutional sprinkler we use. This type of sprinkler we use when we will design for mental hospital or any institutional sprinkler. We will use this one. Okay, our next is window sprinkler. If we will design any building and the window or the door curtain wall is not fire rated, so near window or near door we will use this type of sprinkler. It's called window sprinkler. Okay, if window and door is fire rated, then no need to use. Okay, but when the window is not fire rated, so we have to use or we must use the window sprinkler. So all this is a special type sprinkler we use on a special spaces, on a particular spaces. That's why it's called a special sprinkler. Okay, our next is a residential sprinkler. We use in a residential or where 2 family or 3 family dwelling family lives, in that place we use this type of a sprinkler, upright or pendant or horizontal or domed conceal or flat concealed. This type of a sprinkler we use in residential sprinkler. And for residential we design as per NFPA 13R or NFPA 13D. According to this code we design for residential sprinkler, and we will select the sprinkler as per the requirement among this. Okay, so this type of sprinkler we use in residential area. Okay. Now next is dry barrel sprinkler. Dry barrel sprinkler is also available in standard coverage like a pendant, upright, and which we seen before above. Standard coverage also it's available in extended coverage. Okay, and also it's available in storage like a ESFR, CMSA, CMDA. Okay, so dry barrel sprinkler we use in where that in cold area. Okay, where water freeze in the pipe. So in that area we use dry barrel sprinkler, dry pipe sprinkler. Okay, how many system in firefighting I will explain in upcoming video. Okay, so inshallah we will see. So subscribe my channel and yes, subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share button so that you will get the notification on time. Okay, so a dry barrel sprinkler we already explained that in cold area where weather is very cold, water freezes, in that area we use that dry barrel sprinkler. Our next is spray nozzles. This is not the sprinkler, it's a nozzles. When we design the deluge system where all nozzles activate at the same time. Okay, in that area we use the high velocity water nozzles and medium velocity water spray nozzles or low pressure nozzles. Okay, also this type frame type nozzles, cone type nozzles. So in deluge system, when we will design in deluge, then we will use the nozzles, not a sprinkler. Okay, so inshallah in my next video I will explain the firefighting system, how many types the firefighting system we design like a wet pipe system, dry pipe system, okay, deluge pipe system, pre-action type system, many types of system in firefighting uh, designing while we will design. So inshallah I will explain, okay. And here you can follow me, and if any question regarding firefighting system, then you can also contact me on my this is my WhatsApp number. And also you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the notification on time when I will upload the video, because all our upcoming video is very important, okay. Not only I will upload the firefighting, but also fire alarm, plumbing, and HVAC total in details. And also you can send me the friend request on Facebook, okay. So thank you very much.